So, what is the action plan that we can put into this to start wrapping this up? We have an unbelievable opportunity here. Let's compete with the world. Competition is normally a good thing in the city of Philadelphia and its surrounding communities. Right now, in a very important area of telecommunications, it's not a good thing because it's slowing the rollout of fiber optic cable to the houses in the community. And so it's holding up progress. In steps the government. Whether you hate me or not for this, you'd be wise to listen, because the government is the only entity who's capable of directing Verizon and Comcast to put in place a system that's being shared already anyway, okay? The monies that are going to be involved with this will ultimately come out of the subscription. I mean, right now they're going to be coming out, money up front will be coming out of bank loans, commercial loans, and federal reinvestment money that's already there for us to use. Let's use it. Let's put these people to work. Ultimately, it will be paid for by the subscribers that are using the system. Okay, so there's no tax dollars. We don't have to convince the community, and this will put in place a way for us to put workers back to work, train them, teach them new skills, be productive. Okay. This is a way to fix the problem. This is a solution, bipartisan solution, I might add. I see it as a 5-year plan. Right now, in 2009, the government of Philadelphia approved Verizon installing Fios. Let's make it both Comcast and Verizon. Let's force them to utilize private contractors locally. The first year we'll be designing the plan, marketing the plan to the public, although it's not public dollars that are going to be being used. They just need to be aware of the situation. Legislate the plan in the city of Philadelphia during the first year and begin to hire 50 new installers every week. Put them, train them, put them in place with, seed them with experienced people in the field from both Verizon and Comcast. The wealth of people that are out there already. I mean, we all see the trucks floating around. Then you add the private contractors in place. You can see that we're capable of hiring 50 new people region-wide to begin to get this system in place, because now when Comcast goes out, Verizon goes out, both of these are going to be installing fiber optic to the house instead of utilizing the coax cable with inferior capability. The first year is $123 million, figuring on 2 men per day, for a day overhead installation, 3 men per day for underground, for 2 days for underground installations. $123 million in the first year, and that includes design products. This is bumped up to $225 million. Now we're starting to get into the continued effort to hire and train these people and to continue rolling out the fiber optics. Year 3, we actually reduce the overall cost because we begin to recover invested dollars in this system. We're leveraging private contractors now. The money is starting to come in from the federal government. So we're actually starting to reduce this. In year 4, I see this coming down to $63 million. Efficiency of operation, we have people that actually know what they're doing by now. We begin to turn a profit. And in year 5, we're solvent. Okay, the system is solvent. Philadelphia has an infrastructure of fiber optics capability well beyond anyone in the nation. A very good bellwether opportunity, and I hope we're listening here, because I don't think anybody in this country is seeing this, and it's competition right now that's holding it up. So the challenges, there are some challenges for the future. We need to be able to hold down the subscriber costs. Subscriber costs are already sky high for broadband. You begin paying $100 a month for a triple play, which includes cable TV, phone, and internet access. So, we're paying a pretty penny for this stuff. But once we get this to the houses, to every house in the city, this is it's going to be an excellent opportunity. We're putting the unemployed back to work at the same time. We're training them, giving them new skills. They're not sitting around playing cards all day, and or sitting in the soup line. So we're meeting the challenges of the future, and we're not meeting the challenges of the future if we don't. So that's really the most important thing. So we've covered today the importance of telecommunications infrastructure, of fiber optics, the city of Philadelphia, the importance of it, how shared housing of the infrastructure impacts the logic, the wisdom of doing this, how Verizon, Comcast will also benefit through this system. Instead of competing and fighting each other, they're going to both benefit from this, both go to a fiber optic system, which is ultimately what's going to happen anyway. It's already happened in South Korea and Japan. Let's do it. Benefits of government intervention are obvious here. I mean, I don't want to get into any arguments, but we're meeting the challenge for the future. So we covered that and all of the important things about fiber optics in Philadelphia. And once again, I want to thank you all for coming. And again, we'll show our wonderful audience. Hi. Say hi. E-Trade Baby's girlfriend. And we're going to once again bring in the E-Trade Baby video conference long distance. And she's on the phone with him. And he's filming a commercial over across the sea, and for E-Trade. Bye. Oh,